Teachers and other education professionals from across Wales have been working together to develop the new professional standards for teaching and leadership that are more relevant to today's workforce. Whether you're newly qualified or an experienced teacher, you need professional standards that complement your day-to-day work. 55 standards have been replaced by 5 key standards, which are underpinned by important values and dispositions relevant to all teachers' work. The 5 standards are pedagogy, collaboration, leadership, innovation and professional learning. Key elements designed to move with you as your career develops. All the standards include descriptors that outline what sustained, highly effective practice might look like to support career-long professional learning. Descriptors will help teachers to unpack the 5 standards in a way that works with their individual role. There are separate leadership standards for those in formal leadership roles. All teachers, from newly qualified through to experienced school leaders, should reflect on their practice and learning in their professional learning passport. The PLP enables practitioners to record their experiences and map them against the standards using the relevant descriptors. The new professional standards are designed to inspire, challenge, and support every practitioner to be the best they can be, and help improve the way we educate our young people. Our new curriculum provides the key to this, and we want to ensure our teachers and school leaders are well supported with all the necessary skills to help realise the new curriculum. The new professional standards for teaching and leadership will apply to all newly qualified teachers commencing their induction from 1st September 2017. By September 2018, all teachers and school leaders in Wales will be using the new standards. You can find more information by visiting learning.gov.wales and searching professional standards.